Hello students, today let us start our next exercise, that is exercise 1C of class 5 mathematics. I hope all of you have practiced exercise questions of 1A and 1B, and many of the questions you have done it at your home and those are clear to you. So today I will show few questions from exercise 1C. Again in the same manner I will tell you to take out your maths textbook so that you can go through the questions properly and look at the procedure on the screen. At first try to look into the procedure, then follow it in your practice copy. So exercise 1C, I will take out the textbook from your screen and now you can see only the procedure. Exercise 1C, question number A1. We have been asked to find out the place value of 2 in 5, 32, 94, 7, 10. Place value. We have to find out the place value of 2 in the figure, that is 5 crore 32 lakh 94,710 as per our Indian place value system. So let me show you where is our 2. So this one is our 2. So take out 2. Now we have to find out the location of the 2. Where is the location? That is the most important thing and you have to do it very much sincerely. Then only you can find out the correct answer for the question. Now let me show you, this one is your group of ones. That one belongs to group of ones. Next one is our group of thousand. This one is our group of thousand. Next we have our group of lakh, and at last we have our group of crore. So as you know that the figure which we have with us is that 5 crore 32 lakh 94,710, and the 2 belongs to the group of lakh. So again you have to find out in which place it is. Is it in that lakh or 10 lakh? As you can see in that question, 2 belongs to lakh, not to that 10 lakh. 2 belongs to lakh. So we have to write down lakh 100,000. This is the value of our lakh. So 2 into 1 lakh, that gives us 2 lakh. So in this way you have to find out the place value of 2 in the figure. I hope the method is clear to you. Again let me discuss. At first you have to find out the group. The first one is our the group of ones. Next one is our group of thousand. Next we have our group of lakh, and then we have our group of crores. So try to locate the group at first and then you can find out the exact location of that given figure. Now let me move into the another question, which one I should do for you. Let me select which one I should do. Let me do the sixth one. 3 in 31, 0468, 514. Let me show you. This one is our group of ones. This one is our group of ones. Next we have our group of thousands. Next we have our group of lakh. Next we have our group of crores. This one is our group of crores. I think this position is clear to you. Next we have to find out the place value of 3. So where is our 3? This one. This is our 3. For this one we have to find out the place value. So 3 multiplied by that position. Where how much is the position? That is 10 crore. This one is our 10 crore. This one is our crore. Next we have our 10 crore. So 10 double 0, then double 0, then triple 0. So the exact place value for 3 in that given figure will be 3 into 10 crore. That means 30 crore. I hope it is clear to you. In this way you can do or practice the other questions. Now let me move on to question number B. What is the place value of 8 in 2 crore 85 lakh? 2 crore 85 lakh, that much. So question number B is quite similar to question number A. Practice it at your home. Let me move into question number C. Find the difference between the place value of two threes, 28, 53, 74, 931. That means the valuation is 28 crore 53,000, 53 lakh 74,931. And as you can look into the question, we have been asked to find out the difference between the place values of two threes. You can see that two threes are there. This one is the first and this one is our second. So let us find out the place value for the first and the second 3. So first one for first 3 is equals to 3 into the position is 10, that means it is 30, and for second it will be 3 into how much is the position, it is lakh, it is only 1 lakh. So 3 into lakh, that gives us 3 lakh. So in the difference between means you have to find out, you have to do the subtraction. 3 lakh minus 30. This one is a 30. The place value of the first 3 is a 30, and the place value for the second one is our lakh, as it is situated in the place value of 1 lakh. Group of ones, group of thousand, then we have our lakh, then 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. I hope all of you know this concept very well. So now let us do the difference. Let us find out the difference between these two. So it will be your 0, 7, 9, 9, 2. 2,99,970. So how much is our solution? 2,99,970. So this is our answer. How much is our answer? This is our answer. So in this way you have to find out the difference between the given figures. Next, let us move into that question number D. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Write the following numbers in expanded form. D. One number 257, 39, 124. That means the figure is 2 crore 57 lakh 39,124, and we have to find out the expanded form. So we have to start from that last place. 2 into what is the place value for this? 1000 lakh crore. That means 1 crore you have to write down, plus 5 into 5 belongs to 10 lakh, plus 7 into 1 lakh, 000000, plus 3 into 3 belongs to 10,000, 10,000, plus 9 belongs to 1000, plus 1 into 100, plus 2 into 10. The location for 2 is 10, plus 4 into 1. At last, if you are interested to mention this 1, you can, otherwise you can skip it. So 2 belongs to 1 crore, that gives us 2 crore, plus 5 into 10 lakh, it will gives us 50 lakh, plus 7 into 1 lakh, it will be our 7 lakh, plus 3 into 10,000, that will be your 30,000, plus 9 into 1000 will be 9,000, plus 1 into 100, 100, plus 2 into 10, 20, plus 4. So in this way you have to expand the given figure, and this is our ultimate solution. So I hope this D, question number D, is clear. You have to keep it in mind, the place value system and the valuation for the figure. Let me do one more for you, that is fifth one, 500,000,004. That means 5 crore 4 only. So 5 into the position for this, the location for this 5 is crore. So 100,000,000,000. So lakh is missing, no need to mention. 1000 is missing, no need to mention. 100 and the 10th, both of them are missing, no need to mention. Plus 4 into 1. So 5 into 1 crore, that will be our 5 crore, plus 4. This is our answer. That means this is our expanded form. So in this way we have discussed 4 questions. A and B are quite similar to each other. C, in that C we have been asked to find out the difference between the place value of 2 3's. Try to select some other figures and practice it at your home. D number, follow the expansion method as I have done it. Try to practice it nicely so that in case of emergency you can do it directly. 2 steps I have shown you, it is not compulsory to do both of them. You can skip the first step, this one you can skip, but at an initial stage try to practice it at your home. When you will be confident enough to skip, at that time you can skip these stages and directly you can go for to write down this answer. So again I will be back with other questions, so practice hard. Take care. Thank you.